Hey, leaders, let me ask you a question. Have you ever said to yourself, oh, if only I could go back in time, the changes I would make? Maybe it's people that you've hurt or choices you've made, or maybe it's trust that you've damaged. Well, I have a suggestion. Stop looking back and start looking forward. Because more likely than not, trust can be repaired. Start today, then tomorrow, then every day after. And what I'm talking about is not epic speeches and promises. I'm talking about showing up with a positive attitude, letting people know that they're seen, heard, and respected. It's leading by example. It's fulfilling your commitments. And when you can't fill those commitments, circling back and letting people know why. It's empowering others. But more than anything, it's consistency. It's consistent action. And with time, you can rebuild trust. And here's the thing. Whether you're leading a team, forming a new friendship, or just striving to become a better version of yourself, it's never too late to dive in, because trust is always ready to meet you wherever you are.